everyone, in this video, we are going to learn how you can create and display review notifications on your website. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Make sure that you have installed the pixel before creating the notification. Once you have installed it, click the add notification button. You will see different type of social proof notifications and widgets here. To create review notification, go to review. You will see two different type of variants here, review and review count. In the first one, you can show real reviews with reviewers photo, ratings, and review. While in the second one, you can display the total number of review with average ratings from multiple platforms. Choose whichever you want to display. We will go with the first one. Click on See Designs and select the notification design of your choice. As you can see, there are many design options available. Each one comes with its unique customization options. Select any one of this and you will see a pop-up asking name and website URL. In name, you can write anything that is easy to remember. In URL, you have to mention the website URL where you want to display the notification. Once you have filled in this information, click on Create and Customize. And you will be redirected to customization page. Here we have three sections. The first one is Design. Here, as you can see, we have notification template gallery where you can change the notification design if required. Then we have live preview screen where you can see how your notification will look like on your website. You can also check how your notification will look in mobile phone and desktop screen. Using this switch, you can change the theme. Further, we have three main configuration options. In design, you can customize notification text, icon, position, animation, borders, and more. Now, if you want to redirect your users to desired pages, then you can make your notifications clickable and add a link where you want to redirect user. In case you want to change notification delay and display time, then you can use data and timing settings. With this option, you can set notification timing like delay and display time. Also, under notification data settings, you can filter review based on rating and number of characters available in review text. That's all about design section. The design section is all about making your notification more eye-catching so you can grab your customer attention. Once you are done with design section, click on Save button to apply the changes. Now let's move to the display section by clicking the Continue button. What you can do here is you can choose where you want to display notification, like display it on all the pages or specific pages by adding different display conditions. If you want to display same notification on multiple websites, you just have to add multiple website URL here. You can choose whether you want to display notification to returning or new visitors and target the specific audience by using segmentation options like UTM, cookies name, and more. Now let's move to third and last section, data source. Here you can choose which data you want to display into notification. Click on Add Integration and integrate the platform you use to collect reviews. We have direct integration with multiple review platforms like Facebook, Google, Capterra, Trustpilot, Yelp, and more. You can even import reviews via CSV files. To make it quick, I already connected our Capterra review platform here. You just have to activate it by clicking the checkbox. Once you have customized all three sections, your notification is ready to go live. Simply click on Finish button and turn the notification on. Here, now let's check it on the website. As you can see here, the notification is live on your website. So that is how you can create a review notification. If you want to explore more advanced options, you can find the video links in the description. And if you still face any issues while creating review notification, connect with us on a live chat or mail us at support@wisernotify.com.